Hello, this is Mark John Vandersnick, and this is my marketing plan for Life Alert Emergency Response. Executive Summary. Life Alert has always aimed to provide the elderly and disabled with the ability to reach medical assistance. However, Life Alert does not have the ability to help those unaware of our company. With this marketing plan, we want to push ourselves to a higher standard and better reach our target audience. Our goal is to establish 4 main outsources of marketing, including Facebook, TV, print, and outdoor mass ads. These marketing tactics will prove more useful in spending our company's resources by focusing our ads in highly trafficked areas for our specific audience. With approval from the board of directors, we will be streamlining our marketing plan this fall and throughout the winter. Business mission and values. At Life Alert, our mission statement reads, Life Alert's protection helps people to live at home with independence and comfort, living their lives the way they want to, with a feeling of safety and peace of mind. Our marketing plan falls in line with our mission statement, as our main goal is to provide our marketing demographic with the understanding and tools to better protect themselves. Our marketing objectives. Number 1 is increase awareness. By marketing during the winter, we will be reaching our target demographic when they are most vulnerable and in need of our product. The elderly and disabled tend to be alone in their homes for extended periods of time during this inclement and dangerous weather of the winter. We can aim our marketing at those who are currently expecting some of the anxiety and fears that product helps resolve. Number 2 is establish a sense of family values. While we are targeting a very specific audience, our goal is to appeal to all people. By establishing family values, we position ourselves to attract attention from not just potential clients, but their loved ones as well. We hope to reach family members who will consider buying our product out of concern for our target demographic and their loved ones. Number 3 is raise revenue. With any good marketing plan, there comes a chance to raise revenue. Having a steady income is the cornerstone to any business that provides some kind of care. In this, Life Alert is no different. More capital means better care. Key messages. Number 1, we are here for you. This key message plays into our slogan of, I've fallen and I can't get up, by assuring our clients we are there to help. Number 2, by your side 24/7. This key message implies that our clients are never truly alone, and that they can feel comfortable and safe in their own homes. It also speaks to the quality of our product. Number 3, one button away. This key message is supposed to leave our target audience thinking of how convenient and accessible safety is with Life Alert. Our target market. The product is targeted at those who have a medical condition, live alone or often alone for prolonged periods of time, worry about their personal safety and well-being, are at risk of falling, or unable to conventionally call for help. Our user persona describes an 80-year-old retired living somewhere in the northwest portion of the United States and single or widowed, without anyone to accompany them while they're at home. Their lifestyle describes just that. Lives alone, hires additional help around the house when needed, rarely gets out of the home. Some of their wants and desires are a sense of security, some reliable protection, and carefree living. Some of their personal concerns include health issues and fragility, simple old age, and loneliness. For our marketing mix, Life Alert costs between $49.95 and $69.95 per month, depending on how many Life Alert buttons you have placed around the home. There is also an installment fee costing anywhere from $100 to $200. Life Alert guarantees 24/7 response operators, one press of a button away. This marketing plan will utilize resources allocating 45% of the budget to Facebook ads, 25% to TV commercials, 15% to print ads, and 15% to outdoor mass ads. We believe the best way to reach our market is through Facebook, as seniors are becoming more comfortable with the platform. TV is a close second, but is losing traction with the middle-aged generations, as streaming services are rising in popularity. Print and outdoor ads are the least focused on outlets, but will still reach our target demographics and those who would purchase our product for a loved one. Our campaign theme is "We are a care provider seeking to spread our services to all that need us." Thank you. Bye.